Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Sun Pharmaceuticals. Urgent openings for production, packing, QC and designation is officer, senior officer, executive, technician. Next, coming to the education and qualification. B Pharma, 12th, ITI, Diploma, MSc graduates apply to this position and experience is 2 to 8 years of experience and number of vacancies 30. Skills required to granulation, compression, coating, packing, QMS, packing and production and QC analyst. All interested candidates can email their updated resume with the details of current location, contact number, total years of experience, present CTC on. If you have any query, please contact the HR number and send resume to mentioned email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding job. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.